Welcome to Drexel University Library's EndNote X4 tutorial. In our past chapters, we've examined many of the features of EndNote. However, EndNote is only as good as the data that's within it. So it's very good to make sure to examine the data, the output, and see if you may need to make some changes. Depending on style, and in this case, I'm using APA 6 style. All depends on your subject discipline or where you might be publishing. But let's examine this item here by Han. You can double click into these records. In this record, one of the things I noticed was the journal title. It happens to be abbreviated. In the particular citation style that I would be using, this wouldn't be acceptable. I would actually have to write this journal name out fully. So you can always click into this record and change any of the various fields that are here. So if there's anything that needs to be fixed or changed, you can do that. Simply click into the field. You'll be able to edit that item at that point. Another thing to consider are the use of DOIs. These are becoming extremely popular, and depending on the database you're using, this may or may not come through. So you can always copy and paste a DOI if it happens to be present within a PDF and place it in this field. So that's really important as well. Now, if you make any edits here, there's nothing really special that you have to do. You would just actually click on your X in the upper right-hand corner. That'll close the record. If you had made any changes, it will ask you if you'd like to save or not. And what if you didn't happen to import a reference from a particular database? What if you have something right in front of you? In that case, you could still enter that item by hand. You would go to References, say New Reference, and then choose your appropriate reference type. Common selections would be Edited Book, and possibly a web page. When you click on that item, it will re-image the page, and at this point you can enter in the data by hand. Again, be careful. If you make any typos or put something in the wrong format, EndNote could misinterpret that information. One thing to note is how corporate or group authors are handled. I'm just going to type in the American Medical Association. This is something that would be done pretty commonly. When I close out of the record and I save this, what you'll notice is EndNote treats us like it's a human author. That's not really what you want. So to fix this, you can click back into the record, and the easiest way to trick EndNote into accepting this is to place a comma after the author name. When you close and save at this point, this will display the name properly in the reference field. This concludes this chapter. Thank you.